Hey there, I am 49 years old. I was starting to experience very suddenly some changes and some symptoms that made me really question if I was beginning into the perimenopausal stage of my life. All of a sudden, I was developing hot flashes, especially at night. I would wake up just with night sweats, not sleeping well, had some belly bloat, just a lot of things that just hit me all of a sudden, and I realized what was going on with my hormones. I didn't want to go see a family practitioner or an OBGYN because I did not want to be put on synthetic hormones. So I started doing some research and I came across Winona, and so I thought, why not? You know, the price is good, more of a natural route, and so I went that direction, and I cannot say enough about this. I cannot be happier than what I'm experiencing. Within days, the symptoms all subsided. I'm sleeping better than I have in years. The belly bloat is gone. I'm literally starting to lose a little weight. I have no negative effects from it. It has literally solved all of the problems. So I highly recommend this to anyone. It's definitely worth taking a chance. It's very, very price affordable. I give it 5 stars. I plan to continue this regimen for the long haul.